Matrices part 9. So yeah, symmetrics and skew symmetrics matrix lam dila bane. Part 9 za khau lai na part 1 to part 8 to zelo. Part 9 is symmetrics le skew symmetrics matrix. The symmetrics matrix itu boy. Matrix khata symmetrics matrix ke ne vigan tha. Square matrix kha. Square matrix no symmetrics matrix ha. Square matrix kha to my transpose la kha to my power padare kha. That means a square matrix must a square matrix a square matrix post capital Aij with any order is says to be a symmetrics matrix mane we want if transpose my power na the transpose my power then is Aij is same as Aji for all possible value of I and j. Tam bang entries bang Aij I sum entries bang Aij I na bang bang ni sum ne bang hai ko matrix bang ha symmetrics matrix transpose la ka ta padare tha ni A transpose is same as A transpose to A को matrix कौन था symmetrics matrix हिसाब में example का line example order कलेक्शन में नी 1 2 2 3 ऊपर में वो transpose बात था transpose का आगे ला में ना transpose बात था square matrix order 2 by 2 first row the first column में ना transpose बात था row ले column change करना second row the second column 2 3 कोई zero से 1 2 2 3 1 2 2 3 चार बार में A is same as A transpose है को matrix काम था symmetrics matrix में नी the skew symmetrics matrix हो skew symmetrics matrix हो skew symmetrics matrix ho matrix la ini square matrix mo ne transpose la ka tuang negative minus a transpose is same as minus a ko pa tang ha skew symmetrics matrix means a square matrix suppose capital Aij with any order is says to be a skew symmetrics matrix ni if A transpose is minus of A that is entries Aij it is negative of Aj I for all possible value of I and j so matrix bang ha skew symmetrics matrix means transpose minus of kemai ni pada mai example ha post matrix A ha 0 1 2 ni na minus 1 0 3 ni na minus 2 minus 3 0 ko matrix है square matrix है order 3 by 3 ni put on transpose la ho A transpose la ho transpose mean interchanging row and column first row become first column 0 1 2 first row first column second row ha second column third row ha third column ba mena has one you can write this one negative with minus la ba ho ni dai ku khawa na 0 1 2 minus 1 0 3 hai tu la hai compare se tha na tu mai mu na minus 0 ku ho 0 ho minus ni plus ni sa ra ni so 0 minus ni plus ni sa ra la कोई ना minus apa है ni कोई ni minus ngau ni si 0 minus 1 कोई minus apa था 0 1 2 Ui na minus plus minus la minus 1 0 ni ui aku minus la 0 1 1 ni la aku so plus minus la minus minus plus 0 ni minus 3 la it become 3 ui plus ni minus la minus plus minus ni and 0 to 5 ni this is same as minus of 0, 1, 2, minus 1, 0, 3, minus 1, 0, 3, minus 2, minus 3, 0, minus 2, minus 3, 0. That means A transpose is equal to minus of A. Ako matrix liha. Skew symmetrics matrix transpose like minus of given matrix ako matrix liha. Skew symmetrics matrix. Kita na type ha. Skew symmetrics matrix all the diagonal all the diagonal elements or all the diagonal entries are 0 the type diagonal elements are all 0 in skew symmetrics matrix. Kita say group dina 0 to 1 because Aij is equal to minus of Aji. Kita la skew symmetric all the entries are complete ni kita mi ha Ij Ai ni minus Ai ni minus lekha kita mai ka minus ni plus ni number ha only 0 plus Ai equal to 0 which implies twice Ai equal to 0 which implies 2 0 so it becomes 0 all the diagonal 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 order like that diagonal element were 0 cm Kita tanya ya symmetrics skew symmetrics mana the theorem enai dong theorem kanai importance theorem kanai theorem khadana theorem number 1 sabo for any square matrix with entries real number entries any square matrix A entries real number matrix square matrix you can express or you can write or transpose H so it is a symmetric statement for any square matrix A combine transpose addition is a symmetric matrix addition matrix and combine transpose minus is a skew symmetric matrix. Ini square matrix A transpose symmetric matrix A minus skew symmetric matrix Đó dẻo đây theo ai sao mình hả hạt quả symmetric kia A minus nó skew symmetric matrix kia toàn là ta hãy phù hợp symmetric matrix của ta this transpose should be same as this one A plus A transpose Unai something ini matrix suppose B thola B should transpose should be same as B hai ko matrix symmetric matrix hai ko mana suppose na C thola C ha ko skew so C transpose should be minus of C hele sang ko na skew matrix so na ta na there are proofs of me ha pu ha symmetric matrix be proofs of means a plus a transpose is a symmetric matrix tha proof ha let a plus a transpose proofs right ha symmetric matrix ha b thoda na ni b for a plus a transpose na pu matrix b ha hai na pu ha symmetric matrix ho any matrix with transpose and matrix sa me pang te ha symmetric matrix so pu dong transpose da hai kyu sa ni le na transpose la le ha a plus a transpose ai the transpose la ta matrix from property transpose and property hata a plus b transpose is a transpose plus b transpose sa ni nge ta hai a b hen sa ta a transpose plus a transpose of transpose means ta property kha a transpose double transpose la ta in the same as a sa ni la properties pa ha ta sin ta a transpose plus a padam si transpose na a padam plus so this is equal to a plus a transpose ni ho lam ho addition kha commutative na commutative matrix addition kha is commutative means a plus b is same as b plus a addition kha eta sin su na lai pu tu bui na ai b thola ko ta ni ta b transpose b sa ni sa ida ho pu wa symmetric matrix ni so ha hai kom de na symmetric matrix hai to hai to what about a minus a transpose eta skew en sa ni la a minus a transpose ai suppose c na thola ro ne yeah you have to prove that this c is skew symmetric that means C transpose should be minus of C. The skew symmetric matrix is an then C transpose minus C ni proof C transpose that means transpose this implies C transpose equal to A minus B transpose is same as A transpose minus B transpose. Yeah, matrix so na A transpose minus A transpose of transpose minus transpose la okay. So this implies C transpose equal to A transpose minus transpose the line to be good E is property class double transpose of E pada na which implies C transpose equal to minus la pada A minus A transpose ni la ni minus kana la ta plus minus kana ina minus ka ठीक है so which is equal to minus A minus A transpose C निकला so C transpose is same as minus of C है को when matrix के हा skew sa so A minus A transpose is skew symmetric matrix ma proof sa tan next theorem 2 ha na masabo theorem 2 ha na any square matrix hate ha you can express as sum of symmetrics le skew symmetric matrix ni a square matrix as square matrix any square matrix can be expressed as a sum of symmetrics and skew symmetrics matrix any square matrix का skew ले symmetrics sakle में तो matrix हम express करने को any square matrix can be expressed as a sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix form. The examples square matrix ha. Suppose me has square matrix na A na A by 2 plus A by 2 minus A by 2 plus 2. Mấy nhổn nghe. Hôm nay cancel số bằng gì? Cancel số bằng đây. Cancel số bằng A by 2 plus A by 2 A by 2 plus A by 2 ni A thì nào cancel là 2A plus A. That means 2A by 2, that means 2 cancel A now. A can be expressed like this. Cái nào hay ạ? A by 2 minus plus plus A transpose by 2. Đấy, cụ hiểu điều khác nè. Plus A by 2 minus A transpose by 2. Mình hiểu nghe. Cái cụ bảo là half A plus A transpose plus half A minus A transpose. Hiểu đến gì? Lúc nào ai cụ lẽ cụ tập với là đi đó. Because in matrix how under addition bahwa it is commutative applies to that and in commutative applies to minus A by 2 plus A by 2 by A by 2 minus A by 2 by 2 A plus 2 kata A transpose by 2 thang của nó cũng hiểu đến gì nhưng đây in the text for sum A can be expressed as half of A plus A transpose plus half of A minus A transpose. This is a scalar multiply na. Ay po ho theorem 1 ka. This is symmetric along that. And this is skew symmetric. Any matrix can be expressed as sum plus minus. So sum of symmetrics and skew symmetrics. May ada hai theorem kanai ka. Hai pu tung theorem ka kanai le kai tho plus skew matrix the ratio symmetrics matrix the ratio the da. Hai pu tung kwa ka ne thai ka ta dang na part 9 ka ne de la thong hai. Textbook the less solution hai le na jana ni thai na example the ban 9 ta ni tan su da ho part 9